Today we're exploring human evolution. The story of human evolution is a journey of adaptation, survival, and innovation. Starting in West Central Africa 6 to 7 million years ago during the Miocene, our story begins with some of the earliest potential hominins, including Sahelanthropus tchadensis. As the last common ancestor shared by humans and chimpanzees, they exhibited a mix of ape-like and human-like features. Following Sahelanthropus came Ardipithecus ramidus, known from fossils that suggest it walked upright, but also had a grasping big toe, indicating it was still adapted for climbing trees. Next in our lineage is Australopithecus afarensis, a species that lived around 3 to 4 million years ago. Famous for the fossil Lucy, these hominins walked bipedally and had a more human-like pelvis. They likely spent time both on the ground and in trees. Around 2.4 million years ago in East Africa, Homo habilis appeared, marking the rise of our genus Homo. Known as the handyman, Homo habilis is associated with the Alderman stone tool industry, which introduced new ways to hunt, scavenge, and process food. Their smaller molar teeth suggested a dietary shift towards more meat. Homo erectus emerged about 1.9 million years ago, with body proportions similar to modern humans, long legs and shorter arms relative to the torso. They were the first to migrate out of Africa, reaching Asia and Europe. This migration suggests they had the cognitive ability to adapt to diverse environments, likely aided by their use of more sophisticated tools. Evidence suggests they may have controlled fire, a significant survival advantage. As Homo erectus spread, other species evolved, including Homo neanderthalensis, Neanderthals in Europe and Western Asia, and the Denisovans in Asia. Both species interbred with early Homo sapiens, contributing to the genetic diversity of modern humans. Neanderthals were adapted to cold climates, with a stout build, and were adept at making tools, clothing, and possibly controlling fire. Homo sapiens appeared around 300,000 years ago in Africa and began migrating out of Africa about 70,000 years ago. With large brains and sophisticated behavior, Homo sapiens thrived, eventually displacing other hominins. This period saw remarkable technological advancements, including the development of tools, permanent settlements, the domestication of animals, and the emergence of language and complex social structures. From Sahelanthropus tchadensis to modern humans, our evolutionary journey highlights the impressive development of our species. Who knows how we'll continue to evolve?